All right, Craig Hocknull here. I'm out in Port St. Lucie. Beautiful sunset evening. I'm at the PGA Professional Championship. I wanted to just introduce myself to you and go through a little bit of what's in the bag. So I have a driver here. It's my Epic Max 8.5 degree triple diamond. In here, I have the Quantum F5 Flex, so extra stiff, but it's very lightweight. It's in that 50-gram weight. I'll explain why in other videos. In my 3-wood, which is the Epic Max right here, the 3 Plus, I've got the link in the gunmetal. This is the 6 F5, so extra stiff in a 60-gram range. In my hybrid, what I have here, in my 4 hybrid, is the Recoil Prototype Hybrid 85 F5, so extra stiff again, but Recoil for me has been a fantastic shaft, and that's exactly why it's in my hybrid. And then through my entire bag, all the way from my 5-iron down to my wedges, I have the Recoil 110 F4. This particular shaft in my irons has been hard stepped twice. So even though it's an F4, which is technically stiff, we've been able to move that closer to extra stiff. And here's why. When I started playing with the recoils, I had the Prototype 95 F5, and that shaft became discontinued, and then we were able to match the similar feel in the Recoil 110 F4, hard stepped a couple of times. So really happy with all of these shafts. The only shaft that is not UST Mamiya is my putter shaft, and who knows, maybe at some point we'll switch that out too.